Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to permanently delete your Badoo account on mobile. Before we start, check the description below for more guides and the official Badoo help page. Now, open Badoo on your mobile browser and log into your account. If you are using the same, the steps are almost same. Once you're logged in, tap your profile icon usually at the bottom right here. Then tap the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Scroll to the account section. It's under basic info here. Click on it. At the bottom of account menu, you will see the delete account option here. Tap it, confirm by selecting delete your account and hit continue. Badoo will now ask why are you leaving. Pick any reason, for example, I met someone, then tap continue. You can skip the prompt to share your story. Just tap delete account here. And that's it. Your Badoo account is now permanently deleted. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.